Listen to me closely. This listing you are looking at sells custom mouse pads. It has made over $45,000 in sales revenue, and it continues to make more money every single month. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can create these same types of mouse pads and also sell them to make thousands of dollars. Now, if you stay with me, I'll also show you how to create these listings in a more professional looking way and how you can stand out and overtake this boring listing by attracting more buyers. Custom mouse pads have been booming recently, and if we check the competition using Allura, we'll see that there is a crazy demand with very low competition. If we go onto Etsy and search for this product, we'll see many bestsellers and people who are making lots of money from this. We'll also see a wide variety of styles and options like pet-related mouse pads, family mouse pads, or just custom text mouse pads. All of these styles are making a lot of money, but I noticed one thing. These pet-related mouse pads are making the most amount of money. So I decided to do some digging, and I found out that people love having things that remind them of their pets and also help keep a strong connection between them. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create these pet-related mouse pads in a way that will look much better than these flat, boring ones. I'll also show you how to list them on Etsy and how you can fulfill orders without having to ever touch or handle any of the products physically. So click on that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Now, if we analyze this listing right here, we can see that it has a mock-up showing the finished product in real life and also our very own background collection, just like the one you see right here. We must also add an option that allows buyers to choose their preferred backgrounds. There are two ways you can get these backgrounds. First is to go onto websites and download them for free. For example, if you go to Free Peek and search for groovy wallpapers, you'll be presented with thousands of high-quality backgrounds like the one you see on the screen. All you have to do is download as many as you want. The second way is to use AI image generators to generate the background images. Would you believe me if I told you that these images you are looking at right now were all made by using a free image generating software called Leonardo AI? Yes, all I did was enter some prompts, and just like magic, I was presented with these high-quality and original background images that we can use in creating our mouse pads. Here are some of the prompts I used. Orange and green pastel spiral pattern, vector flat illustration, groovy pattern with pink and blue flowers on a white background, paw print pattern, simple flat vector illustration. So you get the drill. But if you don't want to be entering all these prompts, then I have done the dirty job by creating 100 of these patterned backgrounds, and I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video. And don't worry, because they are free. Now, after you get all your backgrounds, we need to create the first listing image, which showcases the different backgrounds customers can choose from. So head over to Canva, choose these dimensions, upload your background images. You can then start designing your listing image. Here is how I did mine. At the top, I wrote, choose your favorite background. Then below that, I included my background options, and below each of them, I added the number and its unique name that I created. Adding the unique name is going to help us stand out from the other sellers because they just add numbers and no names. Now, to stand out even more, I came up with a very unique idea that will blow our competitors out of the water. For our second listing image, I added an option for customers to choose their favorite accessory. For example, they can choose to add a bow tie, glasses, or even a hat. This way, people will have more customization options apart from choosing the background. So now we have the first listing images for our product ready, so we can start creating the actual mock-ups for our product. Now, let's say you've received an order for this image, this background, and this accessory. Keep on watching the video because I'm going to show you how you can combine all of these and create a very nice looking mousepad image. But before that, please click on the subscribe button and also like the video. It really helps the channel out. Now, go to photopea.com. If you don't know what Photopea is, it is a web-based image editing software that is just like Photoshop. You can choose to use Photoshop if you have access to it, but since I want everybody to follow along, I will be using Photopea. Now, start by creating a new project using the dimensions you see on the screen. After that, upload the background image and make sure that it fits the frame perfectly. Then upload the image of the pet and again, position it in a nice looking way on the canvas. Most sellers would be done at this step, but no, we are going to add effects to make the image move from this boring looking one to this cool cartoony look. Select the image layer and go to filters, then stylize and apply the oil paint filter. These are the settings I'm using. Click on OK and boom, our image has started looking way better than that of our competitors. Go to the filters menu again, then sharpen and select the smart sharpen filter. Set the amount to 100, radius to 10 and reduce noise to 100, then press OK. As you can see, our image looks sharper and has nice details. For the final effect, go to the filter menu again and choose filter gallery. Open the brush strokes folder and choose the accented edges filter. This will add glowing lines around our image and make it stand out more. This is what we started with, and this is what our image looks like now with all our effects added. So now all that is left is to add the name of the pet and the accessory chosen, then adjust the colors to get a more colorful image. And that's it, we are literally done creating our first product. Export your design and we are ready to start building our listing. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised to show you how to fulfill your orders without handling any of the products physically. Well, here it is. We will be using Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to upload your designs onto any of their hundreds of products. They handle the printing, packaging, and shipping to any buyer who orders your product, and you get to keep all the profits. Another great feature is that they allow you to connect your Etsy store to their website with just a few clicks. So after you sign up, you can add a new store by clicking here and then add a new store. Log into your Etsy store, and once it's successfully connected, you can start designing. Go to the catalog and search for mouse pads. Printify offers a huge collection of blank mouse pads that you can use for free. I will personally choose this one right here. Now upload the image we created earlier into their designer and make sure it fits perfectly into the design area because we don't want any part of the image being cut out. After you are done with that, click on preview and you can see how the product will look in real life. Looks amazing, right? If you like how it looks, then click on save product and we can move on to the last step of this video. Here you can start adding the details of your product like a title, description, adding tags, setting the price, and everything about the product. Go ahead and do that. Pro tip, for the tags, I prefer to look for bestsellers on Etsy and see the tags they use and use them as well. Remember, if you use the right tags, Etsy is going to show your listing immediately when someone searches for anything related to it. So I recommend you take your time and choose the right tags for your product. After that, you can click on publish, and that's it. Your product listing has been created. Oh, and one thing I forgot is to upload the listing photos we created before publishing your product. You can either do this in Printify or go to Etsy and do it directly from there. Also, for the description, you can check similar listings or use ChatGPT to create a compelling description for you. From here, you can add the option for customers to choose their preferred background and accessory. Scroll to the variations area and click on add variations. Then click on create your own and enter the name as background. Now under options, add the numbers and names of the backgrounds we created. After that, click on done and then add a variation again. This time the name should be accessories. Then using the same method, enter the names of all the accessories you provide. Click on done and that's it. All customers will have the option to choose a background and accessory of their choice. The last thing is to allow customers to enter the name of their pets. We can do this by going to personalization and clicking on add personalization. Then in this area, write what you need from them, which is the name of their pets. Just like that, our customers can add their pet names. We are now done with our listing and it is ready to make money. So anytime customers place an order, it will be forwarded to Printify, and Printify will create and ship out the products to the buyers, all without you having to worry about shipping or inventory. So just keep on creating as many listings as you can, and the money will start flowing in. And as I always say, if you are willing to stop doubting and giving excuses to everything, then you are going to make tons of money from this side hustle. If not, you are just going to keep on doubting every single side hustle and continue staying poor. Ladies and gentlemen, if you found this video helpful, then please click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.